And I've got crema and salsa that I made. Oh, wow, that looks good. I'm actually proud of myself. So I just got back from Tianguis. It was a little farther than I thought, really about 3 miles. But I walked there. It's a little cooler today. It was 60 degrees Fahrenheit last night. So a little cooler. So this is what I got at Tianguis. Got a little shrimp. I'm gonna try and make some something special from that. I'm not gonna explain what it is just yet, so I'm gonna do an experiment. There's my masa for tamales, 20 pesos for a nice bag, worth it to me. I'd have to make it, it's all ready to go. Another 20 pesos. You know, these are about $1.10. This was about almost $3.50 for the shrimp. Shrimp's expensive everywhere now. Some nice big poblanos that I'm gonna stuff and make some tamales out of those. And I scored a little mezcal. It was not cheap. It has a little friend in there, as you can see. A little friend. I tasted it. It was very good, so I'll do a video on it. And was not cheap, and that's okay because, as you all know, Uncharted agave spirits is coming up, and we're going to be getting some fantastic stuff in, and it's not going to be cheap. It's going to be ensembles. It's all ensembles, but I mean the best of the best. So we're going to be very happy offering those very soon. I got to get back, finish the cabin. So in December, I pray in December that we're ready to go with that. It's been a while, but we found a lot of family providers. Family makers of mezcal, and that's what we want. All small families, and they produce, 50 liters, 10 liters, 10 quarts. 50 liters is 50 quarts, more or less. So anyway, there we go, back from Tianguis, and now I have to get to work. Stuffed poblano with cheese and some pork tamales. Never made tamales before, so it's gonna be interesting. So I'll do this in stages. But I'm getting a good char on these things, and then of course you cut them open and get the seeds out. It's moving along pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna do this step by step, so I'll be in and out. And we'll be doing a lot of cooking stuff on Uncharted Mexico this year. So that'll be starting. I'm doing some dog watching at Lake Chapala, but I'll be done here soon, and then we get to it. Back to Puerto Morelos and back to our normal repertoire of having fun. There, we got a nice char on our poblano chilies, green chilies, and we're gonna let them cool down, and then we take the outside skin off to make the tamales. Yummy. And upgraded some cheese. I'm doing this in steps like this because I have no one to film me, and I usually film people. But I'm doing it step by step. It's a little wonky, but I'll have this edited together. So there's our cheese poblanos. I'm gonna put that in the fridge and let those cool down a little bit more before I peel them. Alrighty, we're making a little adobe sauce for the stuffing and to put on a little bit later. Got some tomato. I put a little avocado in mine. About 3 dientes, 3 pieces of garlic chopped up in the food processor, a couple of adobe, a couple of chipotle peppers. This is gonna taste really good. We'll let it break down a little bit, and then we'll let it cool down and just sit for a while. Won't have tamales till later. It's getting there. So I don't have any corn husks, so I'm gonna do it Veracruz style, which is to use banana leaves. So I cut off one, as you can see. I took it in the house, and I'll show you that in a minute. I'll give them a good wash, and then I'll cut them off into sections like that, and then you put your tamale on the inside there, and spread it out, and then you fold it over, and you wrap it. Put a little string on there, and then you put it to steam. And the tamale masa. And I follow the directions of a Mexican YouTuber that I really like. And you know, what you get it pre-made at the tianguis or in the store, and she fixes it up a few ways, and we'll put a link to the video, and you can see it. And I really like her method, and I think it'll work out. Here's stuffed with cheese. I'm gonna wrap it up. Yum, yum, yum. And here we have a pork tamale. Ooh, one of my favorites. And a stuffed chicken tamale. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Let's hope it comes out good. Yummy. All right, so Matt insisted I show you that I did indeed put these in banana leaves. He wanted me to unwrap it for you. Ooh. This one is stuffed with pork. So now I'm gonna take a minute. I'm gonna dress it up so I can eat it. So here we are, everybody. My first tamale I ever made, and I made it with banana leaves. This is the poblano stuffed with cheese, and I've got crema and salsa that I made. Oh, wow, that looks good. I'm actually proud of myself. We'll put the YouTube link for the masa and the little tricks from my YouTube channel. I think it worked. I think it worked. Let me try this. Oh yeah. It came out really good. Nice and soft with some little tricks. Some little tricks you have to do to make it a little bit lighter and not so heavy. Land style, Uncharted, Mexico. The tequila professor. I'm really proud of myself. This is the first tamale I've ever made in my life from scratch. The masa was from the tianguis, it's like a outdoor market. But then there's some tricks that I've got off of this YouTube channel that I really like. A Mexicana, a woman that's Mexican woman that makes all kinds of Mexican dishes. So I followed her recipe, and it worked really well, really well. I'm very happy. All right, everybody, I'm gonna eat some more of this. Later, everybody.